Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a review of the US Bank Altitude Connect Visa Signature Card. First, apply for the US Bank Altitude Connect Visa Signature Card online. You can spend $1,000 in 90 days to earn the 20,000 point welcome bonus. Earn 5 times points on prepaid hotels and car rentals via Altitude Rewards. Earn 4 times points on travel and gas or EV charging up to $1,000 quarterly. Get 2 times points on dining, streaming, and grocery store purchases. Next, use 0% intro APR for 15 billing cycles on purchases and transfers. Enjoy for free airport launch visits neatly with Priority Pass Select. Redeem points for travel, cashback, or donations with 100% match. Lastly, save on trips with no foreign transaction fees and travel protections. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.